Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel Priyanshu Placement Solutions. So friends, in today's video we will just discussing about critical reasoning and problem guys. The topic is guys flow chart. We just discussing about flow chart, and guys from flow chart topic there are 3 to 4 questions based on this only guys. And every slot you will go to this topic. So we will discuss guys each and every point about that topic, है ना. And guys, before starting that, if you have not joined our Telegram channel guys, please join. And if you have muted our Telegram channel guys, please unmute. Okay, and if you are unable to find our channel, simply just search at the rate Priyanshu Placement Solution guys. Clear? So let's move to next guys, है ना. And guys, one more thing I just discussed with you, a lot of video we have already uploaded on our same YouTube channel guys. Around 42 plus videos are there guys. 42 only essential preparation material guys. 42 plus videos are there. A lot of coding questions, a lot of FT verbal questions are there guys. Not verbal actually, FT reasoning question, networking, MS Office, all the question guys also available on our same YouTube channel guys. This one is a playlist. You can try this playlist guys. A lot of questions are available. Clear? So let us discuss guys just about flow chart, right? How to solve this flow chart concept, and what type of question is there. So let's see guys. So yeah, so the question is like that guys, and you have one flow chart and you need to trace this whole chart guys. Clear? So how to solve, let's see guys one by one. First of all guys, in this question, or not in this, in every question of flow chart guys, you have a flow chart and there is a one table, right? There is a one table like box number is there. Okay, and each box have some values, right? So this is the value and these are the box number guys. Clear? So let's start from here guys. Let's do one by one guys. So step by step we are just doing. So first of all guys, we have a P, right? And P have a subtract, right? Here they are just writing subtract from something to something, means guys, subtract, we need to perform subtract operation on two box, means number of box 6, number of box 6 is nothing but a guys, 6 is 4, right? Means 4 is there, minus number in box 8, number in box 8 is nothing but a minus 2 guys. So minus minus 2. Clear? So it will plus and put in number box 8 9 guys, put in box 9. So what is the answer? Simply 6, and 6 is put it in the 9. So now the value of 9 box is guys what? 6. Clear? So we have done first step guys. Let's move to next step. So here we got a 6 guys. Clear? So let's move to next. The next thing is guys, we have a Q. In the Q guys, one condition is there is number in box 10, number in box 10 is nothing but a 6 guys, minus 6 sorry, is less than number in box 9. Box 9 have guys 6 guys. So condition is true guys. As you can see here, minus 6 is less than 6, 6 is greater than minus 6. Condition is true guys, right? The condition is true guys. It will, if the condition is true, yes, yes, then it will move to directly guys S1. It will move directly S1 guys. Clear? So now let's see this S1 guys. Okay, so here they are just writing like add, we need to perform a add operation with number in box 10. Number in box 10 is nothing but a minus 6, number in box 9 nothing but a 6. So minus 6 plus 6 is nothing but a 0, and we need to put in box 4. So box 4 is guys this one, and we need to put 0 here. So now guys, here is we got 0. Clear? We got 0 guys. The next thing is guys, again the next step is after this S, we need to move T, and T have a divide operation. Divide box 8, box 8 is nothing but a minus 2, divide by number in box 3, number in box 3 is guys 2. So minus 2 divided by 2 nothing but a minus 1, we need to put this minus 1 in a box 7 guys. Clear? We need to put this in a box 7. So box 7 is this one, 0 is there. Now it got a minus 1 guys. Clear? So we have solved this flowchart diagram right now. Let's move to question one by one guys. Let's move to question now. Okay, before moving question guys, if you have still not subscribed our YouTube channel guys, please click on subscribe button here guys, because we are daily uploading placement material. Or guys, I'm just very like what I need to say. It is not good. Only 70% people have subscribed. Remaining people what are doing, I don't know. Yaar. What about remaining people guys? Only 17% people is subscribe our YouTube channel. What about others? Why you they are others are not subscribed guys? Please yeah, subscribe, right? Okay, so let's move to next guys question. The question is guys, at the end of flow chart which of the following boxes have a highest value? Let's see. The highest value have, guys, box 1. The highest value is have a box 1 and box 9. So in the question, guys, both the options are there. Whatever the first value you can put in the box 1 have a highest value, right? So the answer is, guys, the answer is box 1. Clear? The answer is, guys, box 1 is a correct answer. Clear, guys? Box 1. Let's move to next question, guys. The next question is, how many boxes have a negative integral value at the end of flowchart? Negative integral मतलब negative value किस किसके पास है? We need to find that boxes. So whatever we have a negative value, how many of boxes we have negative? This one, 2 and 3. Total 3 boxes we have a negative value, guys. So the answer is 3. Yes or no? Answer is 3, guys. Clear? Let's move to next question. Guys, this question is very easy. It's hardly take a 1 minute for solving the flowchart, and answer is very easy. So let's see. Find the value of number in box 9. 9 minus, guys, box in 1. Box 9 minus box 1. Box 9 minus box 1. Box 9 minus box 1. So what's the value of box 9? Box 9 is 6 minus box 1. Box 1 is again 6. 6 minus 6 is nothing but a 0, guys. Right? So the answer is here we got 0. Getting clear? The answer is 0, guys. Clear? So guys, this type of question is asked by flowchart. That is a critical reasoning topic in a Accenture. And guys, in every slot one question is there. Not one, actually, one topic is there, and total 3 to 4 questions are there by that topic only, guys. This type you need to solve this flowchart. First of all, just trace the all the updated value in the table. Just update all this value table in a table by this given chart, guys. After that, you just move to the question, and that is very easy, guys. Clear? In front of you, I am also solving the question, right? So it's all about this question, guys. Will meet. If you want such type of video, guys, please comment me. Please comment me. I will make a separate topic videos, guys, for you only, guys. If you all want, I want a separate topic video for Accenture, guys. I am ready to make, guys. Just let me know in comment if you want, right? If you like this video, guys, please subscribe and don't forget to click bell icon button, because guys, we are daily uploading the placement material on our same YouTube channel. A lot of material are also available on our YouTube channel, because guys, 450 plus video we have already uploaded. 450 is not a small number, right? 450 we have already uploaded. And guys, if you really want to prepare, if you really want to crack Accenture, guys, you can follow our playlist. Already 92k plus, right? Approx you can say 100k है ना, little bit less, 100k 100k से little bit less है अभी right now. But yes, guys, we will try to do this in this month only, May month. We will try to do 100k plus views in this playlist, guys. We will try. Okay, and I just want your support as well, and without your support I can't do anything, guys. So that's why I'm saying again and again, just subscribe, follow our daily channel, guys, follow our daily videos, share, do share, guys, and do sharing with our videos with your friends, college and your groups, guys. That is very important for you, right? And ask your friends, and you as well, guys, please join our Telegram channel, please, guys, है ना, because we are daily uploading place material, as I'm so telling again and again. And one more thing, guys, है ना, many PDF also available on our same Telegram channel. If you want, you can download the PDF and check out. And guys, some updates I have just given you in the group. And we will just start JavaScript batch, guys. JavaScript training in a free of cost soon. Not yet, soon, but guys, है ना, we are just preparing for that. We are just thinking about that ki should we start JavaScript training for every student, because guys, nowadays JavaScript is very important, right? So that's why I just think about ki start JavaScript series on YouTube, so that, guys, and see, basically a lot of videos are also available on YouTube related to JavaScript. But guys, as I can see on a many YouTube videos, proper material, proper content is not there, guys. Whatever student want, a lot of video I was just doing time pass, right? Like telling theory and little bit practical. I not like that. But if I will start the series, guys, we will totally focus on practical way. That's very important in everything, means in every यू कैन से प्रोजेक्ट वगैरह में प्रैक्टिकली नॉलेज कम आता है, राइट? So we'll start guys, just let me know how many of you are interested for joining JavaScript training in free of cost. Okay, and guys, if you have not subscribed our YouTube channel guys, please subscribe, don't forget to click bell icon button. This is all about today's video. We'll meet on next video, and a lot of student by our side has already placed on some of company like Wipro, TCS, Tech Mahindra and Accenture as well guys. So if you want you can, ठीक है यार चलो है ना, if you want guys you can follow us daily basis on a daily basis so that you are also placed in a good company guys. Clear? So we'll meet on next video guys. Let me know if you want same type of video more guys, so that we just cover single topic in a single video. That much be better guys, because leave it because yaar hai na, it's all about this video. We'll meet on next video guys. Thank you for watching this and please subscribe, don't forget to click what bell icon, घंटा निशान मत भूलना यार, ठीक है? So thank you for watching this, we'll meet next, bye bye, take care guys. कमेंट करना मत भूलना अगर चाहिए वो, ठीक है?